Before my dental implants, my teeth were a mess. Constant bad taste in your mouth. My girlfriend says, "You have bad taste coming out too." Don't kiss me. My name is Gene Hart. I'm a retired truck driver. I was over-the-road truck driver for 25 years. When you're a truck driver, you don't take care of yourself. That leads to a lot of complications that, especially dental. Before my dental implants with my previous teeth, there was constantly bad taste in my mouth. Even after brushing them, you have that little sweet second there where the toothpaste covers up everything. But within half hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, it was gone. It was just a bad taste. It would get food stuck in my teeth because I was missing teeth, had another one that was bad. Food didn't even taste really good. I still ate because I have to, but the food itself had a bad taste to it. Now, with my dental implants, I don't have that. I brush my teeth. I have a fresh mouth. My girlfriend likes kissing me again, which is a bonus. The food is way better, way better. I had a hard time with hard things. Potato chips because missing teeth, molars. I don't have that anymore. That's gone. That was gone that was gone day one. My smile wasn't a smile. Why aren't you smiling? For what? You don't want to see my teeth. Now when people see my teeth or my smile, they say, "Wow, you got nice teeth." For my dental implant procedure, what I had done was what they call all-in-4, top and bottom. I have no regrets at all. This procedure has been life-changing. I wish I would have done it 10 years ago. I don't have to worry about my teeth. I want to go out to eat, I can go out to eat. It's a big life-changing thing when you've got, you don't have to hide your face. Dr.Cheema is awesome. He took care of everything he said he would do. When I come into Paramount, he knows me. He comes in, he sees me sitting in a chair, he says, "What's Gene doing in here?" And that's a good feeling. When you're getting something done, the person that's actually did the work or doing the work, he knows who you are. This place is awesome. Paramount Dental, Dr.Cheema, the office staff, all of them. It's like home. If you're struggling with your teeth, come down here to Paramount Dental in Roseville. You'll see what I mean. When you come in, you'll see. I can tell you all day long, but you experience yourself,